Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing the 1987's Rajdoot's workshop manual. I guess that holds true for the later models too. So I guess that would be really helpful in case if you guys are really going to start the job of restoration on your bike, and that too on your own. So stay tuned and sit tight. Each slide would be of approximately 3 seconds. So in case if you need to breeze through, then fast forward the entire video, or for that matter in case if you need a particular slide, obviously you have to pause. So without wasting much time, let's begin.